Kofi B wo ye ensem ahyase ese babonten many abo a discussion bi a course so ewo Adom FM embra na Kofi B wote ase na wokeka nsem bi first no na ye fi se Kofi B eni oforian ponsa womuntem everything is fine but this conversation na Kofi B have here ewo Adom FM no he's saying say yes no krese oforian ponsa eni yi ni pie ye ema Ghana for etenenka but ebedu baby no one relationship no say ya broni be say a relationship when sa na very interesting thing about kan kran say sikasem bi eba so ema enyama bebre eba ema oforian ponsa eboni dua because na eye enjum bi a bomo aye eho asem ena twese ba ku susu se ba ku etwimi edi wen susu se da bi we epese otwimi di ena twese oforian ponsa eboni dua se wunim na ko performance anwom no ewo bebia bosom ebekun wo se den but yenko tie ensema Kofi B ankasa ekan na a lot of people are commenting and people are trying to link oforian ponsa to this say hey NDA bia bono because you know the Ghana has say me to me aka say will be anyone wo natural death will be ewu at the age of 80 krana people want to go to Ebisa ade omo friend Ebisa wo mo person mo ko hwem ehu ne say daabi say ewu no eyobi nsa e na chance nti yenkongo tie ensem a Kofi B ekan embra na wote ase
wa danfo oforian ponsa ne ho te say me te ne nka che ne ho te say ofo you know here when was the last time I took oforian ponsa nka
oh Friday no friend like ne last time
what's it say
oforian Friday
ba oforisu akokeka ne ho nsem bi ma ono nso atwa pa
kan ade egu adi
oforisu okay ma men kan eye maje Kofi B phone na wa share me story bi wa ha na story ne say Ofori Ponsa opens up on how ungrateful Kofi B took undue credit for hit song Yaw Dompre. Wait, there boy. Na Kofi B enyum we. Wodia ana Ofori Ponsa dia. Okay. Now ono are describable as ungrateful. So we're taking undue advantage, undue credit.
But you must say album no you do say na was so. Album no. And you do say na was so. And no mako 10. And I was so. And me no throw 3. That means 7
okay.
Me am try.
Okay.
And you bien so I know how for. So and you no so ya wie ya ton sika ba ho. Sika o se me nyakura na manya. And so o ka ya to me.
Na o ma ni hu de eko.
Oh. Why ya me asem be se come be at but on no na ya madi. Me ba ha no last week when ye kasem. And I'm say what be pub. And I said do pub a restaurant. E bia me nua de na pub a restaurant ba o kan ya kan say. I know asa na onua no nua te. E ma pass me nua no. O frame ateni pasa. I chelo sa bo me dua kra.
O say Oforian Ponsa fra o di watem.
Pasa.
Abodua. Kofi B. You are on live radio, national radio, Adom FM.
O we am from Papa Square Bona man say ade.
O say Oforian Ponsa Abodua. Say why any day?
Say abekina ka say o be park. But also a restaurant.
A restaurant.
The restaurant in the pub is be no. Restaurant be boy tonsa, pub is tonsa.
Yeah, restaurant tonsa, pub tonsa.
A restaurant into can say.
Now, we asema Kofi B editor ja. Na mpanyimfo kan sem be say woni kura wewu no na opese woni ne ekwachi ni a enye ye because woni ho hwan ene beka na asem ama no ono de waka na asem ato ho na okọ sisi ano Oforian Ponsa eba abonten ebeka se enye ne kre na wambo Kofi B dua kra na people wouldn't believe because obi a wewu de yesusu said that be waka asem to no kwa yesusu say eno ene ne kre you can't argue with the person anymore, the person is not alive. Now I don't know but Kofi B edit so apparently na Ghana kra ye nim de ekoso Inti Kofi B again added a lot of issues at work. Say Enjoma na wutie Yaw Dompre Sanjom, it became a hit song in Ghana some time back. na ndwuma Kofi B ene Oforiampon sankasa tena ase etroye Kofi B say sanyom no de ema entokwani ni na baaye ene say that particular song Oforiampon sa ekoton ema wobi 1.7 billion and then ebia wobi entias here but back then that was what was going on in Ghana. So that time no na Ghana de ekoso ne say musician bi bonjom na ebia wobi eti baby and the pakon yebeka say we ye investor no hu ne say enjum we metumi nya ska efrimu a ne pakon beko musician ne ho na wakwa akoton yom no enti wakwa akoton yom no musician ne ho a sia no enjum no it doesn't belong to the musician again. It belongs to Nipakuna Wakwakoton, Yum Nipakuna Beba Becha cassettes. Ewo Yum no na Wakwakoton. So that was how the system was back then. Ewo Ghana and Brana Oforiampon Sani Kofi B one more tesono. It is a wakase Oforiampon Sa Ekoton Jumno Ekoton in Jumno 1.7 billion. Eyana Ebia will be entiasie. But that was the system back then. Intina the work can say one no any Oforiampon Sa etena se etro enyom anjuma wo mo tro ye no later kra ena wo bi bebo wo no Kofi B amane ne se onu nipa krona wo woska no the investor no wo no akoton njom no Oforiampon Sa ho ena wo hiti Oforiampon Sa ab no ka se oh na me ne wo ya njuma bomu a mesre no wo bi abeto a wo se wo pe bibi ma me ena Oforiampon Sa ka se okay wo de mema 150 million njoma waton 1.something billion no oso obema Kofi B 150 million ena Kofi B ka say okay wo de mesrew o de fa 50 million ka onye 200 million mesrew ena Kofi B say Oforiampon Sa ka say dabi 150 na no de bema na 150 ne kra no sika Oforiampon Sa e de brain no endu 80 million 150 no Oforiampon Sa ka say de bema ne kra no sika ni ndu 80 million. Now that is how their relationship started to deteriorate. Now we know what na radio so na ebisa na Oforiampon Sa wansem na waka so Oforiampon Sa ebie pap. Na Oforiampon Sa hu ne say dabi a restaurant na mebie aden na wasa okoka say a pap because Ghana we know the difference between a pap and a restaurant. The level of a pap is beneath restaurant. Me susu say ebia na Oforiampon Sa hu ne say dabi Kofi B ashe da pese wo maline no ana wo belittle onu Oforiampon Sa ne effort no. Eno ena diabo ebemu. But these things actually happen. And then for some people, I mean, become very good friends, and then at the point in time, no one say, Charlie, na me no, me wasemi me catch me now for. I try as much as possible not to make monetary issues affect my friendship with people, because they be asema me can say, hey, even your own relatives sikasem ebetumi amanto kwesimuntem. We hear a lot of issues as sikasem inti will be efa sekan ekoku wono ankasa ni nua ebi asika anajapade hunti. And so things like that no one hwe ni ya e be say wo relationship with obia na ususu se nipakuwe no e madamfo nipakuwe no e mechocho muncho and na me ne ka say sikasem inti will be ene ne yere sebe wo mo divorce wo momba ebre ya rehosem na senia medinka eka no it could be say indeed senia Kofi B eka say Oforiampon Sa abonidua no because Kofi B is dead and gone into Ghanaians who believes and then America no munti asem ni na nka Kofi B etiase and nka Oforiampon Sa so ba bonten ebeka say oh mambonidua bia wo twantra na nka no won say Ghana for will believe omo pe Oforiampon Sa asem beka se Oforiampon Sa anya ne hwe wo mo pe Kofi B asem so beka se Kofi B indeed Oforiampon Sa bonidua, but because the person is dead no asem a waka to wo no ye befa ne se eye ne kre. And so at this point in time Oforiampon Sa ba bonten ebe kasa efa sa aduabo we ho kra na Ghana for ye nginindi because obi a we wu de na asem eye de obi a we wu de na asem ye de na I wo ebetumi wo say nipa won ye bufu a sometimes we say things nipa bufu a sometimes we say things obi bufu a no say hey udi agra me bodua eye bufu obo say e cool down kra na e bia na dua bone kra no onu nipa ko no bodua ada. This can also be a classical example of that, but it's rather unfortunate say same way is here Now I don't know whether they actually settled their issue. Once the internet DBI can you see when you be a wasema, you don't know what will happen to the person or what might happen to the person. If Oforian Ponsa, if Abia or no one yashika na one budia na bibi kra, by this time he'll be feeling sorry, say, oh Charlie, we nanka yetiasi, and an ibakwe wu nanka yetiasi nanka ose menene settle at yasi. It's very sad. Munche mwaji on comment box the moment I say.